guys, today we are doing some fun behind the scenes shopping for their room tour. What's your theme gonna be? Hawaiian / Lilo and Stitch. And what's your theme gonna be?
Technically princesses, but I'm doing
New to me.
Yeah.
Purples, golds,
Yeah.
grays. So lots of pretty stuff. We need a couple extra things, so we're just doing some last minute shopping. We're getting some paint today. They've picked their paint that they want for their walls. We're going to our 4 favorite stores, which is Burlington, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Tuesday Morning. So let's go shopping. And Anna's coming too. This is our favoriteest store. Welcome to Burlington. Landmark. Not sponsored, hashtag, but it could be if you want to. We're gonna go upstairs because that's where all the good home decor is. See, this is what I want to iron something onto. What about this?
I can make it a diary.
Yeah, for what? For Landis' room. You can put things on.
Yeah.
Seashells. I want to buy this too. Because that's a big bag of shells.
Yeah, it is.
That'll look cool. This would be an easy DIY. Just get a mirror and do a rope and then put some stuff like this on it and spray paint it gold. It'd be super easy to DIY. I think this is good. Don't need too much stuff. I think we're good. If you don't have money for a treadmill, just go to the store. Whoa, walk back. If you wanted to do like a DIY with plates, you could definitely take one of these and like glue something else onto it and then glue another one on top of that. And instead of being plates, it would be something like a jewelry holder or just like a little knick-knack stand.
Oh, true. That's cool.
Gotta think outside the box, Karen. But look at this rug. What do you think of that rug?
Yes. I think that's
I don't like it.
The biggest one they have.
Yeah, and I want bigger for their room. $20 though. See, okay, now this is a good example of a DIY that you would want to do because it's $20 and that's still a little expensive because you could get a vintage frame, spray paint it, and take some burlap and just put it on the inside for like less than $5. Yeah. So I would not buy this for $20, but if it was like 10, maybe I would buy it.
oh, look at this.
These are really cute. You could DIY these too, but sometimes they're cheaper to buy at stores like this. So no rugs here. Maybe we should go on to the next store. Do you want to go with us or?
Yeah, I guess I'm coming along.
This is my awesome editor, Tyler.
Hi guys.
And we're forcing him to shop with us today.
It's cool. They're alright.
We're pretty cool. So you're gonna drive with us?
Yes.
All right, let's go. All right, what's your favorite part about editing anti-tape videos, Tyler?
I always wanted to be like an editor for Pixar or something like that, so Auntie Tay allows me to do that, so she's cool.
I'm like, here's Pixar, here's me.
No, it's totally...
Have Tyler sit in the front. Do you think that's the best spot? Tuesday Morning is one of our favorites.
You say that about like every store.
But I like these stores. That's why we're going there. I like Tuesday Morning, TJ Maxx, Burlington, Ross, Marshalls, all the discount places, you know? Landis?
Is it soft? Ooh, I like this one. It's a chair.
But it's kind of like that picture we saw
No.
where it was like all
I
the
can
bright
use this for
colors.
my desk and all my makeup. I want a soft.
Well, that one's cheaper too.
But look at.
And then she just said like, oh, I like that one, but it's hard. And I was like, this is harder than the first one we saw.
Yeah, I like this one.
I think this will be fun. And then you could do like big throw pillows to lay on instead of actually laying on the ground.
I like laying on the ground though.
All right, so I think we nailed that one down for her room. All right, got some panels, got our rug picked out. We're good. Okay, let's buy these and go to the next one. Love it. All right. See, that's the reaction I'm looking for when I find something for your room.